Hello everybody to lesson 27 of CSS for attractive design. In this lesson we will know the text overflow, word wrap, word break and writing mode. Also we will tell you a secret of how to create a puzzle with CSS. Let's go to the code and see what we have. So first of all I will write here, for example, let's say text, okay, normal text. Let's see h1. And here I'll write some content. Let's say I think this is CSS content. No problem. What is it? So and come here to that place. It's h1. So here we will write our text. we'll write our code that we have it. So let's see what we have and what we will write there. First of all, we will write the text overflow. Okay, so to write a text overflow we should know that something here. I will write a width, and the width, for example, should be 100 pixel, and we have overflow, which is the normal, we could say visible or hidden example, and we have a border. Let's see, border 3 pixel, slide, and then let's say red. Great. See that? Come here, refresh. Here we are. This is a simple text. Great. Let's make the width larger. Let's see, 200. Sorry, 200 pixels. See that? Refresh. It's like that. Imagine that I have a lot of text. See that? And refresh. So here we are. How is that working? We could see here that the text overflow is hidden, but we should make it what? It's visible, but it should be hidden. Why? What's the problem? h1 is width for 200, border is that border, and it's hidden. So why it's that? Okay, the width, also the height. I think also the height, for example, let's see, it would be 100 pixel. See that? And refresh. Yes, it worked. So the height and the width is here. As we could see, the width is 200, the height is 100, and the overflow is if there is a flow over that size, hide it. Great. Then the border is that number of border. Okay, you see that, then refresh, it's the same. Great. Now we will have something called text overflow. Okay, so the text overflow can have something like that. I will write text overflow. Great. So text overflow, we have something too. We have clip or a clip, ellipsis. So clip means you will cut the letter we have. See that? Refresh. Let's write after the CSS. Let's delete the CSS and write it like that. Refresh. Lock. I'm sorry. We should delete the yes. Then here. So in this place he will cut the letter without knowing that there is another text. But the other option, which is here, ellipsis. The ellipsis means that we will know that there is some text there. So they should write, the height, here, I will say, and 10 or 20. See that? Refresh. Okay. So the ellipsis means that if there is extra text, he should put pointers. Okay, so let's see that. Refresh here. It doesn't work. I think I have something called white space and right for what? No wrap. See that? Yes, it's working now. So if we have written the ellipsis means it will write dot, means there's a lot of text which is there. But when we write here, I mean the other one, which is clip, the clip mean he will cut and no one will know what is there. Whether text, there's no text, no one. But ellipses, he will show you that there is some text hidden over there. Great, like that. So the white space means he will go wrap or no wrap. Okay, so the wrap means, means pre-wrap, means if there is text he will wrap it. Okay, it's now wrapped. But the no wrap means if you have a text and it's larger than the text, it will not wrap, it will cut it, whether a clip or with ellipses. This is the first thing, which is the text overflow. Okay, the second thing, which is word wrap. The word wrap means whether to wrap it or not. Okay, let's have here another text. Let's see the same and change it to h2. Let's come here and see h2, and let's copy some text. We see the width, the border, copy and here paste. So let's save it and see what we have here. So we have some text there. Great, which is h2. So I will write here something called what? Word wrap. Word wrap. So word wrap, and I will read break word. So if we have a word there, it will break it. And we could say if it's normal, it will show nothing. Great. So we could no wrap, or we could say the other one, which is word spaces. So I think they are the same. So I think they have some relation. So white space means wrap, no wrap. Word wrap means break word. Great. Means if we have a word, he will wrap it, even if a word in the same place. For example, here imagine I have that content. I mean, let's imagine that this is a single word and we ended the box with that word. Okay, so let's delete that one, refresh. So it will cut the word even if it's only one word. But if we delete that one, which is normal, let's see, it's normal, see that? I mean, it will what's different? I mean, in the other one, it will the normal thing is will write the full text, the full word, and will cut it or will hide it. But here, when we say wrap word, means he will cut, or break word means he will cut the word even if it doesn't complete. So now the word here is broken into two types. If I increase the height, for example, here, I'll say, for example, 40. Save it, refresh. Look here, the word is broken, if you could notice. So this is the second. The third point is the word break. The word break. Let's imagine here I will write, for example, here word break, which is this one. Word break, that one. So we have break all, and we have the other one, which is break keep all. So break all means if you have any word, you need to cut all of them. All we have keep all, and keep all the words without any breaking. So we could keep all or break all. Look the difference. Now the difference is cutting any word over there. Great. The last one, which is writing mode, which is the way of how to create a puzzle. To create a puzzle, we know that puzzle, some text of the puzzle go up and the other goes down. So I'll write here, for example, h3, and I'll write this is horizontal text. Great, and we'll create it. This is vertical text. Okay, so that is horizontal text and the other one is vertical text. So let's change this one to 4. So I will come here and I will say the H3 bought something for it like that. See, writing mode to horizontal. Writing mode horizontal. Right. Wait. I'm sorry. Writing mode should be horizontal TB. Okay. So write horizontal TB. Great. Save it and see. It's horizontal, by the way. It's by default horizontal. The second one, we will say H4. It's writing mode it would be vertical TV. I think no, vertical RL. Vertical RL. Okay, we will know what do we mean. So now it's vertical from right to left. Second one, which would be, for example, imagine I have another text here, and I will say it's H5. See that? This vertical text until okay. So we could say that it's RTL and the other one as RL. Left R. I mean, I will try this. Let's try it, then we will get back. So that one is RL. Okay. The H5 would be writing mode vertical LR. See that? Then refresh page. Great. So what is the different? The different is sorry. So the first is meant to be left to R. Second is right to left. So here, how to create a vertical line. So I could, for example, I could repeat that thing. I could, for example, copy this and put it here, and let's delete it and put a little. We could use, for example, input, and it would work like that. I'm sorry, what I have did. It's not that. Okay, copy this one, copy, paste it here. Great, and I will tick for copy, paste here, copy, paste over there. Great, let's refresh and see what we have. So let's put only a words. You could control also the size with the position and with the you could control the position of each one. If it doesn't match what you need, you could control the position with the position thing, our position codes that we have taken. So here some text is vertical, some is horizontal, some is vertical, horizontal, and so on. Okay, so it's enough for now, and I hope that this lesson is so easy. We have talked about the text overflow and word wrap, word break, and writing mode. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next.